Hello guys, this is Sakibul Sabah, and today we will run some of the basic commands in Hadoop HDFS. So we will start with first we will start our Hadoop. So let me go to sbin folder now. Start dash all dot cmd. So first we will start all the daemons. Okay, so my Hadoop is starting. Okay, so minimize all these windows. Now type JPS, check if all my daemons are up. Okay, yes, data node, node manager, resource manager, name node, all are up. Okay, now let us see some of the basic commands that we use in Hadoop HDFS. Okay, so let's open localhost also. Okay, so localhost 9870. Okay, go to utilities and then browse the file system. Okay, so this is our file system. Okay, so there are some files that I have already created. Okay, now uh, let us check the list of files in on HDFS directory. So we will use HDFS DFS dash ls and slash. So it will show us all the files that are present on the root. Okay, yes, so there are two files, one is directory folder one and another is a text file. Next, so next we will see how to create a directory in HDFS. Okay, so to create a directory, let's type HDFS DFS and dash mkdir. So this will create a directory, then slash. So I'm creating this directory on root and I am giving it a name Sakib and press enter. Okay, so one directory will be created. Now let's check if this directory is created or not. So we will check list of files. So for that there is command hdfs dfs dash ls. Okay, okay, so yes, Sakib is created. We can see here Sakib is created, which is a directory. Okay, next let us create one file, one text file, one empty text file. Okay, so I will create the text file inside Sakib. Okay, so how to create that empty text file? So we will create it using touchz hd type hdfs dfs dash touchz, and I will create this text file inside Sakib. Sakib is a directory. Inside Sakib that sakib dot txt. So I will name it as sakib.txt. Okay. Then press enter. Okay, so this is created. Now let's check whether this file is created or not. So we will check. Okay, HDFS DFS-ls, but I will check because I have created this file sakib.txt inside sakib directory. So I will go inside sakib directory and I will check it there whether this is present or not. So we will check the list of files there. Okay, yes, so you can see that sakib.txt is available there. Okay, next is okay, I will create another I will create one another directory. So HDFS DFS, and I will name it as HDFS DFS-mkdir. So I will create another directory and I will name it as dummy directory. Okay, dummy directory. Okay, so this directory will be created on my root. Okay, now let's check whether this is available or not. HDFS DFS ls. This will check list of files. Okay, so yes, here dummy directory is present here, you can see. Okay, next is I want to remove this directory, dummy directory. I want to remove this directory. Now how to remove this directory? So we will use this command hdfs dfs dash rm dir remove directory, and then I can give the path. So I wanna remove this dummy directory. Okay, HDFS DFS dash RMDIR. So this will remove directory, and then I have to give the path of this directory and dummy directory. Okay, now press enter. Okay, now let's check if this is removed or not. So we'll again check list of files. Okay, okay, now found three items. Previously there were four items, so there was the dummy directory available here. But now here there are only three items, and this dummy directory is removed. So I was able to remove this directory. So this directory was this was empty directory. So I was able to remove it using HDFS dash RM direct HDFS DFS dash RM dir. Okay. Now there is another directory that is Sakib, but Sakib is not empty. So there is a one text file inside this Sakib. Okay. Now if I want to remove this, I want to remove this directory that which is not empty. So I need to remove this directory recursively. So how to remove this? We will use this command hdfs dfs dash rm dash r, and then give the sakib, then give the path of this directory. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, so deleted Sakib. So Sakib is deleted. Now let's check whether this is deleted or not. So let's check list of files. Okay, yes, so this is deleted. So it is not present here. Previously, when I was checking this list of files, so there were three files. Out of them, one was this Sakib directory, but now after checking the list of files, there are only two because Sakib is removed. Okay. Next command is if we want to upload a file, um, I want to upload a file from local to HDFS. Okay, so firstly I will create a file. Okay, so I will go here. I will go to my D drive. Okay, so D drive, there are HDFS files. So there are these files ABC data, dummy data, and local. So they are already created. So I will just copy path of this file dummy data and then copy path. Okay. Next is next is I want to upload this file from my local machine to HDFS. Okay. Now how to do that? So HDFS, we need to write this command HDFS DFS and copy F is capital FROM from LOCAL local, and then I have to give the source path. Okay, so this is my source path. Okay, then I have to give the destination path. Okay, so I am giving destination as root. Okay, So I will copy this file from my D drive to HDFS. Okay, now press enter. Okay, so there is some error. Okay, so one thing I have missed is I have to write it as HDFS DFS dash copy from local. Okay, now type enter. Now we will press enter. Okay, so this file is copied from local to HDFS. Next is we will check whether this is present in HDFS or not. How to check that? We need to check list of files. So HDFS DFS-ls, and we will check list of files on root. Okay, press enter. Okay, so here we can see this dummy data.txt is available here. So dummy data.txt is available here. Okay, so previously there was no file called as dummy data, but I have copied this dummy data.txt from my local machine to HDFS. Now I use this command HDFS DFS dash copy from local. Okay, but there is another command. Okay, so I will now copy another. So here we have data. I will copy path. So I have already created this text file data. Now I want to copy this data from my local disk to HDFS. Now how to do that we will see. Okay, so till now we were using this copy from local, but there is another command. Either I can use copy from local or I can use put command. So how to do that? Let's check. HDFS DFS dash put, and then this source path and then destination. So I will put it here. uh, okay, I will put it inside folder 1, folder 1. Okay, I will copy this inside folder 1. Okay, press enter. Okay, okay, done. Okay, now let's check whether this file is copied. But okay, we need to check inside folder 1 HDFS DFS-ls, and then folder 1. Inside folder 1 we need to check whether this file is copied or not. So what is the file name? It's data.txt. Okay, now let's check inside folder. So there are two files, text file.txt that was already available there, and now I have copied this data.txt from local machine to my what we called HDFS. Okay, so either we can use copy from local. It is same as using put. Okay, either I can use copy from local. So this will just copy file from local and it will paste that on HDFS, and I can use put. That means I will copy file from my local machine to HDFS. So next is if I want to uh, now, so I have this file text file.txt. Now if I want this file, uh, I want to copy this file from my HDFS to local. So how to do that? So for that there is command HDFS HDFS DFS dash copy to T capital local L capital, copy to local, and then source path. So here is the source. Okay, so this is my source, and then I have to give destination path. Okay, so destination path is D. So I want to copy this to D drive. I want to copy this file from HDFS to my local D drive. Okay, so what is the command? HDFS DFS dash copy to local. Okay, now press enter. Press enter. Okay, okay, okay. So this is copied. Now let's check our D drive. Go to D drive and check here. So okay, so text file is here. So this text file is downloaded from HDFS to my D drive. Okay, so this is here. Next is so just like we used a copy from local, and for that we use another command dot put. So for this copy to local there is another command. So HDFS DFS dash put, sorry, no, sorry, get. Okay, sorry. So put is when we copy from local to HDFS, and get is when we copy from HDFS to local. Okay, so then we have to give, I want to download, yes, data.txt. Okay, so I have to give source and then I have to give destination. So for destination is my D drive. Okay, so I will copy this file data.txt that is on in directory folder 1, and I want to copy it to my local disk D. Okay, so now press enter. Okay, now let's check if it is here or not. Okay, data in my, this is my local disk C. So here we can see data dot text is here now. Okay, so it got downloaded from HDFS to our local machine. Okay, next is now there is this file data.txt. Now if I want to check the content of this file, okay, what is inside, or I want to display the content of this file. So what is the command that I should use? I should use hdfs dfs dash cat. So cat command is used to display the content of file, and then cat, then slash where is my file. So it is inside folder 1. Inside folder 1 there is data.txt. Now I want to display the content of this file, text file. Now let's press enter. Okay, so here we can see that the content of that is present inside this file, text file data.txt is displayed. So it is displayed using cat, this command. So what is the command? hdfs dfs then dash cat, and then I have to give the location of this text file, and this command will display the content of this text file. So this was all about today's video. So we will see other commands in next video.